Hello everyone, good day, magandang araw sa inyong lahat and welcome to my channel. Our topic for this tutorial is about how to set the True North and Project North here in Revit. Now to start, may ginawa akong dalawang Revit file, separate na Revit file that you can download if you want to follow along with me with the same file that I will be using. I have uploaded these two files sa Google Drive and I have placed the Google Drive link below in the description box of this YouTube video. Now let's start. Unahin natin discuss yung how to set the true north. And now na-open na yung Revit file natin. First, let's locate kung saan nakalagay ang true north and project north na setting. Nakalagay lang siya dito sa properties. Under graphics panel, hanapin lang natin yung orientation. From here, dito na natin makikita si project north and true north setting. And this is where we can start setting them up. So first, we have to know that the orientation is only shown if the views are plan views, meaning floor plans, ceiling plans, structural plans. Sa 3D view and elevation views, hindi na siya makikita. Okay? So from here, in the project browser, I have created a separate plan views. Let's open that. And as you can see, we'll set this to true north. And ang naka-view ngayon is a drawing file na naka-project north. Okay, and by default, yung orientation natin is usually naka-project north yan siya, all of the views. Since all of our drawings will be referred to this type of orientation para sa documentation natin like placing tags, dimensions, and other informations for our building elements. So let's set the true north, which we'll be using for sandpot analysis, shadow analysis, and creating of the site plan drawings. So now, para ma-set natin siya sa true north, kailangan nating iset ang orientation to true north. And as you can see, hindi nagbago yung orientation niya kasi hindi pa natin siya na-set. Okay, now we will set this. To set this, punta lang tayo sa Manage tab. Under the Project Location panel, we have here the position, drop down, and from here we can set the true north. Okay, so nandito din yung Rotate Project North and it is not available since nakaset siya into true north. So ito lang yung available. Now keep in mind there are different functions. So iba yung function na gagawin natin for the project north. So let's click the true north and now lalabas na yung rotate function niya. And as of the moment, I don't want it to be here kasi I want this here to be in the proper orientation and we can do it if nandito yung pivot natin. So here in the options toolbar, click the center of rotation. Ito yung place, click. And from here, we can click the pivot or center of rotation. And I want it to be here. Click. And first, let's click kung saan yung current direction ng true north natin, which is dito. Here to here. Click. And then, gusto natin siyang ilipat dito sa pinaka north or sa true north niya na actual orientation. So, click. And from there, nakaset na yung true north natin. So that's just it on how to set the true north. And if I go back here sa project north, it will rotate to project north. Now, any other plan views, available na to siya. So if you want to set this to true north, as you can see, nagbago yung direction ng mga annotation elements mo in reference with your true north. Okay? So that's it for the setting up of the true north. Let's save this file and let's close them. Now, i-open naman natin yung project north. So for the project north, same lang din yung location niya. Properties, orientation, project north. So from now, let's go to project browser, open this project north plan view. We will set the project north if Usually, ang nakaset na orientation niya is naka-true north. Usually, mangyayari to na setup kapag nagsisimula kang mag-link ng site plan. Of course, you will not be orienting to the project north. So, ito yung naka-reflect pag yung site plan yung reflect mo. So, from here, kailangan mong i-adjust yung project north. Kasi by default, sa pag-link mo ng site plan, naka-orient siya sa true north. Okay, so kahit hindi ka mag-link ng site plan, if you will be using the property lines, pag nag-set ka ng property lines ng bearing points mo, naka-site plan siya ng orientation, right? So, from there, you will be adjusting the project north para maging project north siya in terms of kapag ka nakapag-layout ka na ng actual orientation ng project mo, set mo yung project north, and from there, you can create more accurately or more easily the floor plan design of your building. Okay, so to set the project north, punta lang tayo again sa Manage tab, and then from here, we click the position, and then available na yung project north since nakaset siya into project north. So click on that, and unlike the setting up the true north, the project north, pag sinelect mo siya, ito yung lalabas, rotate project north dialog box. From here, you can select these three options, which I usually don't uh, suggest if you are just first setting up the project north. Usually, we do first this one. Click this select line or plane. So let's select this. I want this to be the project north. So let's click this, and it will pop up the warning, which just telling you that the function or the project north command has been successfully processed. Let's click OK. And from here, naset na yung project north location natin. Now, if for instance, pag nag-click ka ng isang line and mali yung orientation niya, so let's say, yung gusto ko pala na dapat naka-vertical is itong A, doon na natin magagamit yung position, project north, itong clockwise ba siya, 180 or 90 degree. So, let's say, ito siya, gusto ko naka vertical, and I want this to be ma-rotate siya clockwise para itong area na to facing that way instead of this way. So, meaning counterclockwise yung rotation niya. So, I want to click this. Sorry, mali. Clockwise yung na-click ko. Control Z. Counterclockwise. And correct yung orientation natin. And if gusto ko ibalik siya, click mo lang yung clockwise. And correct na yung placement mo based on your plan. Okay, so that's it. That's how you change the Project North and True North here in Revit. If you like this tutorial, please like this video and please subscribe if hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, and add also a comment if you have a questions or you want something tutorial that you want me to create. Thank you.